is looking very nice. So again guys, those ingredients, quantities or measurement I've given to you, this is, you have to adjust later on, okay, because as per your liking. For me also, I did some adjustment. So here comes our vegetable manchurians is ready. Afternoon guys, today is Friday, so I'm gonna make manchurian vegetable. So it's a weekend today in Dubai, so I have to make something special for the family. So let's get started. So I have 1 carrot finely chopped and 3 cups of cabbage finely chopped. And then on this we have to put a chopped garlic. I have used like 8 cloves of garlic finely chopped, and the ginger 1/2 inch finely chopped. And we have to mix this all together. We have to add salt. Salt like 1/2 teaspoon only. Why I'm putting 1/2 teaspoon is because when making the gravy, it's another, I will be using some red chili, Szechuan sauce, and oyster sauce. Then those has content of salt. So if you put more salt in this, it's becoming salty, the gravy is. So first, from the beginning, we should put less salt, and later on we can adjust as per our taste. So we just mix this all together. And then after this, we have to put a tablespoon of corn flour. And 3 tablespoons of our all-purpose flour. And we'll just have to mix all together. So now at this stage we have to use our hand because this one doesn't work. We have to smash the vegetables. We have to put a 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. White if you have, that is also works fine. So let's just keep on doing like this. Squeeze it, mix it properly. Since we already put salt in here and cabbage, it will leaves water. Cabbage has a water, so it leaves water. So don't put water, don't mix any water inside. You just have to do like this. So as you can see this, see, you have to make balls like this. So you can even to make balls. So this is without water, so don't put water. So just keep doing like this. I think this is fine. I can form the balls. So let's make our balls. And now we have to form balls. A ball, round. For the size, it just depend on you guys. If you want big size, you want small size. For me, I just want medium size. See, as you can see, this is my ball. So we have to keep on repeating. So now I finished making the balls. Now I will deep fry them. So you put oil and let it first let's just heat it up before we put our vegetable balls. In order to find out if the oil is hot or no, just throw a small piece of vegetables in the oil. If it splitters, that means it's hot. If it's not, then the oil is not hot enough. So I drop one piece of oil, garlic. That means it's still not hot, the oil. So let's see. Now we can throw our vegetable balls inside. This is a budget meal, guys. Cheap and healthy. And of course, tastes nice. I've made this many times already. Next time, I'll show you how to make also the Manchurian chicken. This time, just the vegetables. So let it cook. Maybe let's just check it again around 1 minute. Now we have to remove this from the oil. Put it on a plate. This is how it looks like. So we have to remove some floating from the oil, some vegetables, so it doesn't get burned when cooking the second batch. Okay, so now we have to throw our second batch. Put inside. So the second batch is ready. When we do the deep fry, we should always have a kitchen towel. So this one, it will absorb the excess oil. Now let's make our gravy. Now we have to put oil. Up. Then we have to put our onion. Just cook it until it gets translucent. For the Manchurian, normally we cut into a big chunk, like a big chunk we have to cut. Then we'll put our garlic, chopped garlic. I have 5 cloves of garlic. Just cook it for a few seconds. And then finely chop green chili. I have put two green chili finely chopped. Then we can put our capsicum. This is half, in a 1 capsicum, I just use half of it. Okay, just saute them, put it all together. 1 tablespoon, 1 of soy sauce. I have this Szechuan sauce. I don't know. It's a Szechuan sauce. I'll put like 3/4 tablespoon of this. Sorry. And 3/4 spoon of the red chili sauce. And 3/4 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Then we have to put like half teaspoon of sugar. And now we can put our water. For the water, it just depends on you guys for your requirement. If you want the dry manchurian, then you have to put less water. If you want the gravy one, then of course you have to add more water. So first let's just get this boiled, and later on we can adjust if it's need more salt or sugar. So we can adjust later on once we put our vegetable balls. Okay, now it's boiling. Now this is the time we can put our cornstarch. So I have 1 tablespoon of cornstarch mixed with water. Okay. So now it will thicken our sauce. So now let's just have a taste how it tastes, guys. So it needs more actually oyster sauce. So I'm putting more oyster sauce because it needs more. Okay, that's enough. So again, we have to now we have to put our balls inside. So put you have to put everything in. let's just simmer for around 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, so we have to cover it again and check after 5 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes. So now, as you can see, our manchurians, vegetable manchurians is looking very nice. So again guys, those ingredients, quantities, or measurement I've given to you, this is, you have to adjust later on, okay, because as per your liking. For me also, I did some adjustment. So here comes our vegetable manchurians is ready. If you like the manchurian I prepared, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't yet. Bye!